In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image proportionally without cropping in Figma. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head into your workspace. From there, open the file or page where you're working. When I say open your page, I mean the specific canvas where your design lives, so you can see your layout and the image you want to adjust. Once your image is ready, meaning it's already on the canvas and visible in your design, click it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight around it, along with small square handles on the corners and sides. Those handles are what you'll use to resize. To resize proportionally, so the width and height stay in sync and the image doesn't get stretched, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While keeping Shift pressed, click and drag one of the corner handles. Drag outward to make the image bigger or inward to make it smaller. You'll notice as you drag that the image maintains its original aspect ratio, which means no warping and no unexpected cropping. You're simply scaling the whole image uniformly. A quick tip here, corner handles are the most predictable for proportional resizing. Side handles will change only one dimension, which can distort the image if you're not holding Shift. So, Shift plus a corner drag is your best friend for clean proportional results. Keep an eye on the size readout that appears as you drag. It's helpful for hitting a target size. If you need more precision, slow your cursor movement slightly as you approach the size you want. And if your canvas is crowded, zoom in a bit so you can grab the correct handle comfortably. When you're happy with the new size, release your mouse, then release the Shift key. That's all there is to it. You haven't cropped anything. You've simply scaled the image as a whole, keeping the original proportions intact. To recap the flow, open Figma, open your page, make sure the image is ready and visible. Click to select it, then hold Shift and drag a corner handle to resize proportionally to the size you prefer. That's it. With this quick technique, you'll keep your designs clean, your images crisp, and your layout balanced, all without any unwanted cropping.